Hello everyone, and in this video I will review Starling bank card for travel, but first please subscribe to the channel. So without further ado, let's dive in. When we talk about traveling, Starling bank cards emerges as one of the top choices. It offers a worry-free travel experience with the following advantages in terms of fees. No foreign transaction fees, no charges for ATM withdrawals when using the card abroad. Utilizes MasterCard exchange rates with no additional markups. What sets it apart is the instant push notification sent to your phone every time you make a purchase with the card. These notifications not only display the cost in British pound, but also in the local currency of your destination. This dual currency information not only enhances convenience, but also aids in quickly identifying any potentially fraudulent activities, allowing for immediate action. As mentioned earlier, the app provides a user-friendly feature allowing you to easily freeze and unfreeze your card for enhanced security and peace of mind. Additionally, if your friend and family are also Starling bank account holders, splitting travel expenses becomes a seamless process. You can instantly send money to fellow Starling account holders, simplifying financial transactions during your travels. And there we have it. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.